Good day everyone. We all know that groceries and household expenses can take up a significant portion of our budget. But with the right strategies, we can make significant savings without sacrificing our quality of life. Firstly, it's essential to plan your meals and create a shopping list before heading to the grocery store. This practice helps you avoid impulse buying and buying unnecessary items, which can lead to overspending. When creating a shopping list, it's essential to include items that are essential and practical for your needs, and not just because they are on sale or look appealing. Secondly, consider shopping at discount stores or buying generic brands instead of brand name products. Discount stores often offer products at lower prices, and generic brands are just as good as brand name products. Additionally, buying in bulk is also an effective way to save money on groceries, as buying in bulk often results in lower prices per unit. Another way to save money on groceries is to shop with cash rather than credit or debit cards. Shopping with cash will help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. In addition, be sure to take advantage of coupons, discounts, and other promotions offered by stores to save on your grocery bill. When it comes to household expenses, consider making some lifestyle changes that can help you save money. For example, you can switch to energy-efficient light bulbs, which use less energy and last longer than traditional light bulbs. You can also install a programmable thermostat, which can help you save on heating and cooling costs. Another way to save money on household expenses is to reduce your water usage. This can be achieved by taking shorter showers, fixing any leaky faucets, and using a low-flow shower head. You can also save on electricity by unplugging electronics when they are not in use, turning off lights when you leave a room, and adjusting your computer's settings to use less energy. Finally, consider buying used items instead of new ones when possible. Many items can be purchased used, including clothing, furniture, and electronics, which can save you a significant amount of money. In conclusion, saving money on groceries and household expenses can be achieved by making simple lifestyle changes and adopting smart shopping habits. By planning your meals, shopping with cash, buying in bulk, taking advantage of promotions, and making small changes to your household habits, you can make significant savings without sacrificing your quality of life. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found this video helpful.